guys, how are you all doing? So I wanted to just show you a couple of products that I love really. If you know me very well, I'm not so huge on talking about products because Jaggis Bella Fro is largely a natural hair care, place. We're a therapeutic hair care place. And but then we have products that we use in store. So I'm just going to introduce you to a couple of those products. And I mean, those are just, if you know me, you know me. I'm quite authentic in my delivery. So for your hair care needs, every natural, every relaxed hair person, every lock person needs a clarifying shampoo. This is our clarifying shampoo, and this is sure to do the heavy lifting for you. Okay, this isn't a black soap based shampoo at all. Not that I have anything against that, but this is properly formulated to make sure it gets off the gunk from your hair. It is intense, but you need it because, I mean, especially for us, we use a lot of oils and butters on our hair, and you want to ensure that you're thoroughly removing those buildups from your scalp and your hair. So this is going to do that heavy lifting for you. And then we have another shampoo, which is the moisturizing shampoo. So this is it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Oh no, sorry, darling. Moisturizing shampoo. Sorry, my darling. I jumped the queue. So the moisturizing shampoo is infused with more emollients than the clarifying shampoo. So what it does is you could use this every other week and probably use this once a month if that is your jam. But if you're a heavy user of butters and oils, you might want to start with the clarifying shampoo and then end up with the moisturizing shampoo. So but if you're a light user, or maybe you're relaxed and you don't use a lot of products, if that's your jam, I know a lot of relaxed people who are on my team that we use a lot of oils and butters too for their hair. But if you're that kind of person, you're not really into like serious product usage, and maybe you're a lock client and you just want to have a clean scalp ever so often, then this is it. This is not as intense as that one, but it gets the job done. I love this. But for me, if you ask me, Adora, how do you use this product? I start with a clarifying wash because I don't want to take chances, and I go in with my moisturizing shampoo next. So after that, I always encourage people to do a mask, to do a deep treatment mask, and that is where our moisturizing deep treatment mask comes in. We also have a protein balanced one. We also have other variations of this, but this is the moisturizing treatment mask. This is one I recommend for weekly usage or every other appointment usage, and then once in a while you do your heavy duty protein treatment mask, which you only offer in salon. But then we have a mask that also has protein infused in it, which can offer you the benefit of having a protein balance in your hair, and we call that a protein balance mask. So you put on this after you've washed, because you want to replace all that goodness that you have just removed that came with dirt, but you want to replace the moisture back into your strands, and you want to make sure that your cuticles are back to start to close, so that you don't lose moisture and you don't suffer from breakage and dryness and all of those things. So this is what gets that process started. You put in this and then you're good to go. You wear it on, cover your hair for 30 to 45 minutes, and if you have a steamer, it makes your time shorter, just 15 minutes. Trust me, you're good to go. When you have rinsed off that, then you can go in with any of this. This is a leave-in conditioner, this is a leave-in yogurt, this is a leave-in moisturizing leave-in condition. So like they're basically both leave-in conditioners. The difference is this is just slightly a lighter weight, and this is a slightly higher weight than that. We also have a really thick formula, but either ways, this both of them work. So if your hair is fine and you're not really so heavy-handed and you're good, you can use the leave-in yogurt. And if your hair is denser and you are just someone that loves heavy products just like me, this is your jam. I can use both of them because I always would go in with butter and oils. So after that, then we have the star of the show, which is this. So For me, after you've applied your moisture, you've done all that moisture routine, you've applied your leave-in, you need to seal it, because not everybody's hair can hold on to moisture for long. And in a weather where we're now about to get into the Harmattan season, whoop, whoop, or winter, wherever you are, this is your jam. This is not just a whipped butter, it is amazing. This is gold in a can. I have clients who, like, this doesn't stay on the shelf. If you've come to Jeggies, you will know that you barely see butters, and most times you barely see oils. In fact, oils barely stay. So because this is so good, and it's a hair and body butter, guys, so this is Harmattan. You need this, trust me. Look at my skin. Yeah, it is. Look at it, look at it. What? Okay, okay, okay. If you've seen me in person, this is no filter. I don't even know where the filters are on this phone, but this is oof, this is yummy, to say the least, right? And this is what you need basically for the Harmattan. And then post treatment maintenance, you need 3 products or 4 depending on what your jam is, but this is a good way to start. This is our hydrating hair mist. Newest addition to the plug, because I'm beginning to have a lot of lock clients, and I know that with locks you don't need a lot of products. So this, I especially formulated it with you guys in mind. My sister lock fellow, my normal dreadlock fellow, yeah, this is your jam, this is your tea. It's infused with so many amazing goodness, so many lovely herbs, and so many lovely additives to make your hair grow like crazy. So I have a lot of clients who complain that their edges are receding. Trust me, I've been there. I've been there. If you know me, you know I've been there. But we've been regrowing those edges. And you know me, if I take my time to release products, I take my time to even talk about products. For the longest time, I wouldn't even talk about products, even though we use these products, because it's going through a lot of phases of testing and all of that. And I wouldn't want to bring you something that isn't legit. This gold in a bottle, and very affordable too. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you my winter Harmattan routine, because anybody that knows me knows that once it's Harmattan, I'm playing no more. So I did this, I don't know if you can see this, but I did this yesterday. I don't know if you can see the shine. I'm gonna bring down another one, then you can do like a side to side comparison. Let me bring a longer one. This part of my hair fell off a while back. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but this is more moisturized because I re-moisturized it yesterday, and this, no, the feel, you can tell. But there's a lot of products on my hair already, because usually when you're getting things ready, my hair is the first lab rat, and then I go on to my daughter's hair. So she takes all the, I was like, Mommy, why are you always putting things on my hair? I said, oh, I gotta test it on yours first. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my winter stroke Harmattan routine. We are in Nigeria, so we call it Harmattan here, but if you're abroad, it's obviously winter for you. So I put my own spritz here. This is my own. So basically, not for any reason, I love the spawn bottle, but they are all sealed. So I had some extras, and I put this because I must have my own juice. It's Harmattan, and I don't play like that. So basically what I do is to mist it, and I like to press in. I love to press in. Oh no, should I come closer? I love to press in. My hair is pretty much moisturized already, but I'm just trying to show you guys a demo of what to do with yourself this Harmattan season, okay? So I'm a heavy-handed girl, and that's why I must have my clarifying shampoo on hand. But let me just show you something. So depending on what your jam is, now you don't have to take down your hair, but I'm going to take down mine. I'm not going to take down the weave part, but I mean this part. Oh my god, this is not water. It can't be. If you know the slippage on your hair, it can't be. So please, a little butter goes a long way. And you want to emulsify it in your hands, and then you press it. Press it in. Oh, and I love that I can use it on my hands. So anytime I'm formulating products, I like to formulate multi-use products. So when they touch my skin, they are not like irritating to it. Okay. So after that, I'm going in with my own growth oil and just a little at the tip of my fingers. Winter care routine. That's after you've done all those processes that I just told you about. All right. So the hair is looking good. Looking good. And mind you, I washed my hair last. I think I did my hair last week. I washed it, and this is like 2 weeks. Okay, this weekend will make it 2 weeks. I did my hair. I washed and blow dried it because I had an event to go to. So this is all the moisture you need, and you can remoisturize as often as you need to. For me, if I do this all over my hair, this can take me a good 4 days before I need to. And please don't just moisturize your hair and go put your hair on a cotton pillow. Make sure you're using either a satin pillowcase or you're using, what do they call it, a bonnet. And also I can never be caught wearing a headband, a rubber band or something if it's not satin covered. So get you one of these. We have some in stock in case you want them. So basically I'm just going to do my whole head, because as you can see, the difference between this two and this one is obvious. But like I said, my hair is not dry because I moisturized it the day before. We had like an exhibition at the Women in Port Harcourt Business Owner Meetup. Like I told you, mine can stay like 4 days because my hair is low in porosity. Once I can get, do you know something I like to do? Another thing I love to do is that sometimes I go under my steamer, but I'm not, like, it's not like I'm doing like a wash treatment or something, but just so that all these products don't just sit at the top of my hair. Because when your hair is low in porosity, you have to think of inventive ways to get it to accept moisture. It's been so long I've been behind the camera. I might just be acting weird, and I really don't know why I'm shooting this. I really wanted to do this for Instagram, but you know, it's been taking longer. So press, 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 press. Do some pressing action, and then because it's my whole hair. All right. I love me this style too. It's been a while. All year I've kind of worn braids and braids. But this is giving too. And my hair has grown really more than it was at the beginning of the year. So it means the routine was working. If you remember, I cut my hair 2 years ago, so we started from the ground up, from the bottom up, kinda. You see, these tips, they need these juices this Harmattan season. So basically, this is what it is. My hair feels good, feels moisturized. It doesn't feel stiff anymore. I don't know. Can you see this? Got movements. And I'll see you in my next video. See ya.